I hate protein powder, but I still need my protein. Today we're making the easiest chicken satay skewers with my creamy peanut sauce. I hate sharing these at restaurants because I'm used to indulging in a whole plate at home by myself. Season your chicken with the ingredients on the screen, skewer, and air fry. You can also pan fry, grill, or even bake these skewers. Just make sure to flip them halfway so that the chicken cooks evenly. While that's cooking, we're going to prep our peanut sauce by combining peanut butter, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and some lime juice. Dilute with water if you like a runnier consistency like me, and voila! This is my idea of the perfect post-gym snack. So much more satisfying than a boring protein shake. Hope you guys enjoy.